Right. So this is the easy Sudoku for May 3, as shown on the date. And the first thing I'll do is restart the clock. Not that it'll do me a whole lot of good anyway, because I'm quickly finding I'm getting the hang of these easy ones. So every row and every column, along with every 3x3 box, which are these 5 empty cells down here, other than the 4 things already filled in, every row, column, and 3x3 box must contain 1 to 9 once each. Now, about all I have to do is scan, because there's no tricks on these easy ones other than scanning, because enough of the digits are filled in. I like to start with the top 3 rows. I only have 1, 1, I only have 1, 2. I've got 2 3s. Column 1 is taken, column 2 is taken, column 3 must be in the top, and the only place that's left is that one. So that's a right in 3. I've got 3 5s, 3 8s, and I think I'm done in the first 3 rows. Now let's look at my columns. I've got a 3 in column 1 on the left, a 3 in column 3 on the right. Column 2 must therefore be in the middle, but that has to be in box 4. So the 3 in column 2 must be in one of these 2 cells, but it can't be there because of that 3. It must go here. What else do I have? I've got 2 5s, one on the left, one on the right. The one in the middle, most of these 3 columns must be in the middle for box 7, but it can't go there, so it must go there. Let's see. If I look, this box is now down to 3 candidates left, 1, 4, and 9, but this can't be 9. So this is 1 or 4. This can't be 1, so this is 4 or 9. This one can't be 1. Okay, this is 4 or 9 also. Both of them ruled out because of this 1. This one also ruled out because of this one. That means this cell cannot be either 4 or 9 because these 2 are a pair. Therefore, this one must be 1. Now, what that means is I've now got 2 1s in my leftmost 3 columns. The 1 in box 4 and column 1 must be on the left, but it can't go here or here. It must go here. And incidentally enough, I now have 3 1s in my middle 3 rows. Now, if I start looking at the middle 3 rows for other digits, I've got a 6 here and a 6 here. The 6 here in row 6 cannot go in the top because it's taken by row 4, or in the middle by row 5. It must go in one of these 2 places, but it can't go here. It must be here. And that gives me 3 6s in the leftmost 3 columns. Now, that also means I'm down to 3 cells left in these boxes. 2, 4, and 7, but this one can't be 2 or 7. It must be 4. These are now down to 2 or 7, and I know the order. This row is down to 3 spots left. 2, 4, and 9. Well, this one can't be 2 or 4, so this must be 9. These are now 2 or 4, but this 2 tells me the order. I now have 2 2s here, and these 2 looking up into there, so that must be a 2. This 4 9 here still is not resolved, but I'm now down to 2 left in the box, and more importantly, each of these leftmost 2 columns is only missing a digit. This one's missing 7. This one is missing 4. Now I've got 2 4s in my top 3 rows. Column 3, therefore, must be in the middle, so it's down to one of 2 places. Here, I'm down to 2 spots left in box number 2. I'm missing a 1 and a 7. And thanks to this 7, I know the order. Whoops. I actually know that's a right in 1 and that's a right in 7. Okay, now, this one's only missing 2. It's missing a 1 and a 6, and I know the order. This one is missing 4 and 9. But I don't know the order. So by box logic and row logic, that's a 4-9 pair, but that's not resolved yet. So that's a 4-9, that's a 4-9. Neither are resolved. This row number 4 here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is missing 8, 9, and thanks to this 8, I know the order. So that's a 9, that's an 8. Nine is in one of 2 places in box 6, because these 9s and this 9 are restricting it down there. These 3 cells here are 2, 4, and 6, but this can't be 6. So this is 2, 4, and 9. This is 2, 4, and 9, but it's not 9, so it must be 4. That means this is 2 or 9, but it can't be 2, which means that must be 9, which makes that 2 by elimination. This 9 finally sorts this out in box 3. This down here still isn't resolved, but these 2 are down to 2 spots left. 4 and 7. This 7 in that column 6 tells me the order. Column 6 is now missing only 3 digits. 2, 3, and 6. This can't be 6 by 2 different places, so this is 2 or 3. Oh, 2, 3, and 9, not 6. Well, this can't be 2. So this is 3 or 9, but it can't be 2 or actually 3 in a row. This must be 9. This being 2, 3, or 9, except it's not 2, so this is 2 or 3, except it can't be 2, so this must be 3. That better be 2. Let's see. That column's only missing a 4. This one is missing 3 and 5. Thanks to this 3, we know the order, and actually, if I'd looked at the boxes first, I would have spotted it sooner. This box, not to mention this row, is only missing 5 and 7. Thanks to this 5, we know the order. That column is now only missing a 6. This column is missing 7 and 8, and I can write those in. This 9 finally sorted this box out, and I'm now down to 2 digits left. That one misses 1, this one misses 4.